Apple MFI certified. Our premium cable is Apple certified with an authentication chip from Apple. They are part of Apple's MFI program, which uses Apple's licensed technology to connect your devices safely, making them compatible with all iOS updates. Compatible with but not limited to iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5s, iPhone SE, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air, iPod Touch, iPod Nano, Siri Remote, Beats Pill Plus. Durable and slim design. Our durable, flexible and slim design protects wire cores and resists kinks and tangles while traveling and under heavy use. Our slim lightning connector allows it to be used with most devices without removing your case. Highest quality. R&D cables are made with the highest quality plastic, copper shielding, and nickel-plated connectors to ensure fast, stable, and reliable data connections while syncing with your Apple iPhone, iPad, and iPod device. Charge and Sync connects to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod with Lightning connector and charges/syncs by connecting the USB connector into your wall charger or computer. Lightning cable, length, 6 feet, 1.8 meters. Color, white Lightning cable. Professional retail packaging. R&D Power Solutions products comes in professional retail packaging. Authentic R&D Power Solutions products will have our branding on the product and packaging. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for downloads. Purchased a new Apple mini phone and needed this to download pictures from my phone to the computer.